What if your skincare wasn't just routine, but science, precision, purpose? What if every formula, every texture, every result was created with you and your skin's biology in mind? Welcome to BioLab by JAFRA, where Dermoscience meets beauty, where nature and innovation come together to give your skin exactly what it needs, no more, no less. Let's start with the foundation of healthy skin: cleansing, exfoliation, protection. Essentials. These are your science-based basics made to restore balance, defend your skin barrier, and prep for what's next. Formulated with trusted ingredients and dermatological care, Essentials help you start your day with clarity and confidence. Because every line has a story, and you get to decide how it's told. Signs of aging. This targeted collection helps visibly smooth fine lines, boost firmness, and support elasticity with powerful, proven actives. Let your skin reflect your strength and your wisdom with glow. And for dark spots, meet Spot Correction. Clinically tested formulas to fade the look of discoloration from sun, acne, or time itself. Because radiant skin isn't perfect, it's even, clear, and unapologetically you. 3 collections, 1 mission. To deliver expert-level skincare that fits real lives, real people, real results. BioLab by JAFRA, backed by science, inspired by you.